The coin shown in the image is a 10 euro-cent coin from the Kingdom of the Netherlands, dated 2001, featuring the profile of Queen Beatrix. This coin belongs to the first series of Dutch euro coins that were introduced in 2002, although they bear minting dates from 1999 onwards. The euro replaced the Dutch guilder as part of the Economic and Monetary Union of the European Union, marking a new era in European and Dutch monetary history. The coin is a part of the Eurozone's shared currency system, but retains unique national designs on one side, which in this case reflects the Dutch monarchy. The design on this 10-cent coin features a left-facing silhouette of Queen Beatrix, the former queen of the Netherlands who reigned from 1980 to 2013 before abdicating in favor of her son, King Willem-Alexander. Around her portrait is a radial pattern of small dots that become more sparse as they move outward, symbolizing unity and convergence, key themes in the European project. Encircling the Queen's profile is the inscription, Beatrix Koningin der Nederlanden, which translates to Beatrix, Queen of the Netherlands. Below the inscription is the year of mintage, in this case 2001, accompanied by the mintmaster's mark and the mint mark of the Royal Dutch Mint, Utrecht, usually a caduceus or other symbol depending on the specific mintmaster in office at the time. The reverse side of the coin, not shown in image, is a standard reverse common to all Eurozone 10-cent coins, designed by Luc Luix of the Royal Belgian Mint. This side depicts a globe showing Europe in relation to Africa and Asia, emphasizing the continent's connection to the wider world. The numeral 10 is prominently featured, alongside the words Euro cent. The map includes horizontal lines with 12 stars at their ends, symbolizing the European Union and unity among its member states. The 10-euro-cent coin is made of Nordic gold, a copper alloy, 89% copper, 5% aluminium, 5% zinc, and 1% tin, which gives the coin its distinctive golden color. The coin has a diameter of 19.75 millimeters, a thickness of 1.93 millimeters, and weighs 4.10 grams. It features a unique edge pattern known as a Spanish flower, a smooth, rounded edge with indentations, making it easily distinguishable by touch, which is useful for the visually impaired. Historically, the Netherlands has had a strong tradition of monarchic symbolism in its coinage, and the transition from the guilder to euro did not erase this cultural identity. The Dutch euro coins continue to bear the portrait of their reigning monarch as a symbol of national pride and continuity. Queen Beatrix's portrait appeared on all Dutch euro coins from 1 cent to 2 euro until her abdication in 2013, after which coins began to feature her son, King Willem-Alexander. From a numismatic perspective, the 2001 Dutch 10-cent coin is relatively common, as millions were minted to meet the demands of the new currency system before the euro officially entered circulation in January 2002. Although not rare or particularly valuable in circulation, coins in uncirculated or proof condition are of interest to collectors, especially in complete euro sets from each country. Collectors also seek coins with minting errors, low mintages, or special editions. However, a circulated example like the one in the image, showing signs of age and wear, is typically worth only its face value or slightly more to a collector. In broader historical context, the euro represents a major milestone in European integration, aimed at fostering economic stability, eliminating exchange rate fluctuation among member states, and facilitating trade and travel. The Netherlands, as a founding member of the European Union, played an essential role in the development and adoption of the euro. Dutch euro coins reflect this dual identity. They are both part of shared European currency and a medium to express national sovereignty and cultural heritage. In conclusion, the 2001 Dutch 10-euro-cent coin bearing the image of Queen Beatrix encapsulates a significant period in both Dutch and European history. It symbolizes the Netherlands' commitment to European unity while honoring its monarchical legacy. Though not rare, it is a testament to the historical transition from national to supranational currency, reflecting broader political and economic shifts at the turn of the next top. 10-euro-cent coin from Luxembourg, dated 2008 and inscribed with Luxembourg, the Luxembourgish name for the country, is a small but rich piece of numismatic and European history. This coin forms part of the euro currency system, officially adopted by Luxembourg in 2002 when it transitioned from the Luxembourgish franc to the euro. As a member of the Eurozone, Luxembourg shares a common reverse design of euro coins with all other participating countries, but each member state also issues national designs on the obverse side. For Luxembourg, these designs have featured a portrait of Grand Duke Henri, the reigning monarch since the year 2000, following the abdication of his father, Grand Duke Jean. The 2008 issue, like other Luxembourgish euro coins, bears a profile portrait of Grand Duke Henri facing right. This image was designed by Yvette Gastauer-Claire, a Luxembourgish artist, and has remained a consistent national symbol on the euro coins of the country. Surrounding the portrait are 12 stars, symbolizing the European Union, arranged in a circular pattern around the outer rim of the coin, a unifying visual motif shared across all euro coinage. To the left of the portrait is the inscription Luxembourg, the Luxembourgish spelling for Luxembourg, and below that is the minting year, 2008, along with the engraver's initials and mint marks that could be used to trace the coin's origin and production details. The coin was minted at one of the European mints used by Luxembourg, often the Royal Dutch Mint or the Monnaie de Paris, since Luxembourg lacks its own minting facility. The reverse side of the coin, shared with all 10-cent euro coins from every country in the Eurozone, was designed by Luc Louix, a designer at the Royal Belgian Mint. It features a globe, showing the EU member states in relation to Africa and Asia, symbolizing Europe's place in the world and its interconnectedness with other continents. The coin's denomination, 10 euro cent, is clearly marked, with 6 vertical lines behind the globe and 12 stars distributed around them, again referencing the EU flag. The material of the coin is known as Nordic gold, which is not actually gold but an alloy consisting of 89% copper, 5% aluminum, 5% zinc, and 1% tin. This alloy gives the coin its characteristic golden hue and durability, making it resistant to wear and corrosion, suitable for long-term circulation. The diameter of the coin is 19.75 millimeters. Its thickness is 1.93 millimeters, and it weighs 4.10 grams. The edge is smooth, different from some other euro coins, which feature milled or patterned edges for added security and differentiation. In terms of production, the 2008 Luxembourg 10 euro cent coin was minted in relatively high numbers, making it a common find in everyday circulation across the Eurozone. However, the appeal of such coins collectors lies not necessarily in their rarity, but in their symbolic and historical significance, particularly as part of a complete euro set or for those collecting coinage from different EU member states. Since the portrait of the Grand Duke appears annually with updated mint years, these coins are popular among collectors who specialize in monarchical imagery or modern European royalty. Each year's coin reflects the continuity of leadership in Luxembourg and symbolizes the constitutional monarchy under which the nation is governed, with the Grand Duke serving as a ceremonial head of state in a democratic framework. Historically, the introduction of the euro coins represented a profound economic and political milestone for Europe. Luxembourg, despite its small geographic size, has played a prominent role in the development of the European Union and European integration. It is one of the founding members of several key institutions, including the European Economic Community, EEC, the predecessor to the modern EU. By adopting the euro, Luxembourg not only streamlined its economic ties with other EU members, but also reaffirmed its commitment to European unity and cooperation. Coins like the 10 euro cent serve as tangible reminders of this union, physically passing to the hands of citizens and travelers alike across diverse nations with shared currency. From a design perspective, the decision to feature Grand Duke Henri on all Luxembourgish euro coins speaks to a desire to maintain national identity within the broader European framework. While euro coins have a standardized reverse to promote cohesion, the individual designs on the obverse side allow each country to express its heritage, values, and leadership. For Luxembourg, the monarch is a unifying figure and a symbol of the nation's continuity and sovereignty. The use of the Luxembourgish language on the coin, Luxembourg, further emphasizes cultural identity, especially in a multilingual country where French and German are also official languages. Regarding the 2008 coin specifically, while it does not possess unusual rarity or significant market value beyond its face value, in typical circulated condition, it remains an important item for educational, cultural, and numismatic appreciation. If preserved in uncirculated or proof condition, its value to collectors may increase slightly, particularly when sold as part of full annual euro set or in specialized coin catalogs. As of 2025, common 2008 10 euro cent coins from Luxembourg in circulated condition are generally worth their face value, 10 cents, though errors on circulated versions or proof strikes could fetch higher prices, depending on the quality and demand in the collector's market. In conclusion, the 2008 Luxembourg 10 euro cent coin is more than just a piece of currency. It is a compact symbol of monarchy, European unity, and national identity, reflecting Luxembourg's unique position in the European Union. Its design elements connect the coin to both historical tradition and the modern European project. As these coins continue to circulate and age, they tell the story not only of economic transactions, but also of cultural preservation, political cooperation, and the enduring influence of symbols like the Grand Duke's profile in the everyday life of a European microstate with a rich past and a strong international presence next top. The 10 euro cent coin depicted in the image is part of the euro currency system, used by the Eurozone countries within the European Union. The coin shown here is an Italian 10 euro cent from the year 2005, identifiable by the distinct design and the RI monogram, Repubblica Italiana, which confirms its origin. This particular coin design was created by the Italian sculptor and engraver Luciana de Simone. The reverse of all 10-cent coins across the Eurozone is standardized and designed by Luc Luyx of the Royal Belgian Mint, depicting a map of Europe next to the coin's denomination, but the obverse front design varies by country, and Italy chose to feature a detail from the painting The Birth of Venus by Sandro Botticelli, a masterpiece in the Italian Renaissance currently housed in the Uffizi Gallery in Florence. This artwork, dating from the 1480s, symbolizes a rebirth of classical culture and beauty, and Italy's choice to use it on their euro coins is a reflection of their deep historical connection to art, culture, and classical antiquity. The figure shown in this coin is the face of Venus, the Roman goddess of love and beauty, emerging from the sea on a shell, which is a focal point of Botticelli's painting. The coin artist, de Simone, captures Venus's flowing hair and soft expression, emphasizing the ethereal quality of Renaissance art. The 12 stars encircling Venus represent the 12 stars of the European Union flag, symbolizing unity, solidarity, and harmony among the peoples of Europe. The coin also includes a year of minting, 2005, the country monogram RI, and a mint mark R, signify it was struck at the Istituto Poligrafico e Zecca dello Stato, Italian State Mint, in Rome. The 10 euro cent coin is composed of Nordic gold, a copper alloy, 89% copper, 5% aluminium, 5% zinc, and 1% tin, giving the coin its distinctive golden color. This alloy is not actually gold, but is highly resistant to tarnishing and wear, making it ideal for coinage. The coin measures 19.75 millimeters in diameter, 1.93 millimeters in thickness, and weighs 4.10 grams. It has a Spanish flower edge, a unique scallop design that makes it easily identifiable by touch and add a layer of anti-counterfeiting protection. This edge consists of a smooth surface with fine indentations, a feature used across all 10-cent euro coins for consistency and accessibility. The introduction of the euro currency on January 1, 2002, was a monumental moment in European economic history, replacing national currencies in favor of a unified one to enhance economic stability, facilitate trade, and foster closer political and economic integration. Italy, a founding member of the European Economic Community, the EU's predecessor, played a key role in this integration process, and the selection of culturally significant imagery on its national euro coin series was a deliberate effort to project its national identity and heritage into a shared European framework. By choosing an image from Botticelli's Renaissance masterpiece, Italy not only highlights its own cultural legacy, but also contributes to the collective European celebration of art and history. In terms of circulation, the 10 euro cent coin is widely used for everyday transactions across all Eurozone countries and is accepted in over 20 nations. These coins are mass-produced and intended for regular use, meaning that they generally carry only face value unless they have notable errors, minting varieties, or are in pristine uncirculated condition. Some collectors may be interested in coins from specific years or with slight minting defects. However, for the 2005 Italian 10-cent coin, unless in mint condition or part of a proof set, It typically holds little numismatic value above its face value due to its large mintage and wide circulation. Italy's use of the Botticelli Venus as a symbol on its 10 cent coin serves not only as a tribute to one of its greatest artistic achievements, but also as a subtle message of beauty, rebirth, and humanism, values that resonate with the founding principles of the European Union. Botticelli's A Birth of Venus itself was a revolutionary piece in art history, combining classical themes with a new Renaissance spirit, and placing this image on a modern coin links the past with the present in a tangible, everyday form. The integration of classical imagery into currency is a long-standing tradition across cultures, and the use of Venus on the Italian euro cent coins continues this legacy, reinforcing Italy's position as a cultural and historical cornerstone of the European continent. Ultimately, the 2005 Italian 10 cent coin stands as a miniature work of art, a cultural ambassador in pocket form, representing Italy's timeless contributions to civilization through the lens of Renaissance art. Its design embodies a national pride and heritage, seamlessly blended into a broader European identity, allowing ordinary citizens to carry with them a small piece of Italy's artistic soul as they go about their daily lives.